Hello investors, welcome to the channel where I use technical analysis to find possible swing trades. Before I get started, I'd like to make it clear I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is for informational, educational, and entertainment purposes. Technical indicators are not accurate 100% of the time. Fundamentals of a company and macroeconomic factors can drive share price changes differently than we'd expect based on technical indicators. My goal is to bring these companies to your attention so you can decide for yourself whether or not they're good investments for you. So please, if you plan on investing, do your own due diligence before purchasing shares in any company or consult with a financial advisor. With that said, today we are looking at Tootsie Roll Industries, ticker symbol TR. This is a micro-cap company with a market cap of $1.36 billion. They famously manufacture candy in the US, Canada, Mexico, and all around the world. And here we are on the annual chart, and you can see Tootsie Roll has had quite a fall over the last couple of months. In fact, quite a fall just over the last couple of weeks. It's well below all the moving averages. And after several red days, we are close to the 52-week low, although not quite there yet. And we finally posted a green candle yesterday. The RSI is oversold and has turned bullish again. Both stochastics are also oversold and have turned bullish. The volume chart has been slightly above average lately, and it is starting to decline and has been replaced finally with a green candle. Though it's difficult to see the actual comparative selling or buying volume because of this giant green candle selling that throws off the entire chart. But the MACD appears to have reached a trough and is starting to head higher. Those are all good signs that Tootsie Roll has hit a bottom, at least temporarily, and is turning around. And if we take a look at the fundamentals here, you see there is a moderate amount of short interest, 8.21%. The debt to equity ratio is outstanding, although these top two numbers here look high. As it turns out, the debt to equity is less than 99% of other companies in food processing. And that is pretty significant. Less debt for a company works just like less debt for you and me. And the PE, as you might expect, is higher than 78% of other companies. It's 30.35, which is a bit high. Certainly, it's not outrageously high like we've seen lately with NVIDIA and some other companies where it's just absurd off the charts. But still, 30.35 is a bit higher than you'd want. Regardless, the PE ratio does seem to be supported by some of these other metrics here. The gross margin is greater than 79% of other companies in the industry, which is excellent. The operating margin is outstanding, beating out 90% of its peers. The operating margin's still only 14.5%, but still that is certainly enough of a cushion that it may deserve the higher PE compared to other companies in the industry. And the return on equity shows that it returns money more efficiently than 71% of other companies in the industry. And earnings per share growth rate is greater than 63% of other companies. So all of the fundamental metrics that we look at here are above average, if not outstanding. Low debt and excellent other metrics. One downside here is the low dividend at 0.86%. I wonder why they even bother. But still, I mean, at this point, I'd rather see them buy back shares if they're cheap than pay a dividend. But I'm not in management at Tootsie Roll. In any case, I'm curious if anyone has a particular feeling on Tootsie Roll. Perhaps you love the candy and you are buying hand over fist. Please let me know in the comments below. And if you got something out of the video, I'd really appreciate it if you'd hit the like button and subscribe to help out the channel. If you enjoy these brief overviews of companies that might be good swing trades, Please leave a comment to help me with the YouTube algorithm. And again, even if you would like to tell me what I got wrong, you can leave those comments below as well. They help too. Or if you'd like me to take a look at a particular company using the indicators I present here, just mention that in the comments and I'll try to get to it as soon as I can. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and good luck with all your investments.